Randy, I'm trying to tell you that if you get facelift this way, then you'll have nice chin, but your head is more like flat, and I just don't know where I got the accent, but anyway,
My hair is what's going on with my
say, ah! Did you swallow all your medication? Do it now! I have a split-hitting headache.
It's splitting open! Oh my gosh. That is so funny.
Twilight Zone.
Cleopatra.
Twilight Zone. Okay.
Oh my god.
Try to put your nose to your tongue.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I know where Justin's friends get that when they do that.
Now we get some more. Hey! Hi, Randy. I'm going to see you on Sunday, right? You're going to come over with your pillows. We're going to go to another planet called Bed Bath and Beyond. And I'm bringing my pillow, and we're going to get you all fixed up.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. I'm going to choke it to death. Oh my god.
I'd like some water, please.
Don't have a